It is poised to be a rainbow summer, with a slew of gay weddings on the cards once same-sex marriage finally becomes law in coming days. But thousands of same-sex couples will find themselves already married under Australian law as soon as the Governor-General signs off on the legislation. The bill currently before the Parliament erases the ban on recognition of same-sex marriages solemnised overseas, and will apply retrospectively. The Equality Campaign estimates thousands of Australian couples have already tied the knot in countries such as Britain, the US, Canada and the Netherlands, where same-sex marriage has been legal since 2001. Among them are Carly Shriver and Liz Bennett, from Brunswick East, who officially married on a warm summer morning in a pokey overflow room at New York City Town Hall in 2015. The brief and unglamorous ceremony was witnessed by two local friends. "We didn't tell anyone other than them," says Ms. Bennett. "You take a ticket, you sit on a bench and wait, you go in," Ms. Shriver adds. Both women recall the pride with which surrounding New Yorkers clapped and cheered as they posed for photographs outside. "There was a real delight in the fact that they could offer that to visitors," says Ms. Shriver. In Victoria, same-sex couples who marry overseas are automatically recognized as registered domestic relationships. There are 1778 couples on the register, though not all of them necessarily got married overseas. At present, Section 88 of the Commonwealth Marriage Act declares same-sex unions solemnised overseas must not be recognised as a marriage in Australia. But the paperwork Ms. Shriver and Ms. Bennett signed that June day in Manhattan will ensure their marriage automatically becomes official in Australia once Senator Dean Smith's bill is signed into law. There'll be no need to register your overseas marriage or take any steps. The recognition will simply follow the law coming into effect, explains Anna Brown, a director of the Human Rights Law Center and a leader of the Yes campaign. "Regardless of whether you were married in 2007 or you're planning to get married in 2018, your marriage will be recognized." Close to 1,000 Australian same-sex couples have married in New Zealand since that country changed its laws in 2013, and about 450 others have married on Australian soil at British consulates, a popular service available to dual citizens. Senator Smith's bill also contains a provision to ensure those marriages are automatically recognized. The bill passed the Senate 43-12 this week, and next week has been reserved for debate on same-sex marriage in the lower house. Prime Minister Malcolm Turnbull on Friday reiterated he was very confident it will clear the final hurdle this week. "Both houses will sit until it is done," he said. Ms. Shriver and Ms. Bennett, mums to identical twins Ned and Clancy, turning 2, have no desire for another ceremony once Australia's laws change. They already consider their 2012 illegal wedding in Melbourne, surrounded by 100 friends and family members, to be the day they tied the knot. "That was the event of our public commitment, in our minds," says Ms. Shriver. "It feels important to only get married once and for that to have been the significant occasion that we treated it as at the time.